Grant Farnsworth with the Farnsworth Group, here to share our quarterly results of our Farnsworth Group Contractor Index. Each quarter, we talk to hundreds of contractors, remodelers, landscapers, exterior contractors, utility contractors, and finish contractors to understand how their business is moving along and what their overall sentiment is towards their business and other areas impacting our industry. I'd like to share some results that we've been seeing over these last few quarters when we look at some key metrics. I'm going to start with their ability to find new business over the next 6 months. The confidence has been growing and we are now in parallel to pre-pandemic metrics. Very, very good sign across the board as we think about our various contractor segments that we look at. We also look at their ability to increase or maintain revenue over the next 12 months. Again, we see a lot of encouraging signs and seeing consistent growth over the last 4 quarters when we look at their future expectations for revenue. So again, big positive sign on the contractor front. How much do they expect to increase their revenue? 10%, 11%, 15%, 20%. A lot of optimism. We don't believe that all contractors can increase their business by 25, 35, 40% year over year, but the fact that they believe they can is a really strong signal that we look for in contractor sentiment. We also look at their, how busy they are, how many project requests they're getting, etc. When we look at how busy they believe they are very, very busy. In some cases, busier than they were pre-pandemic. So again, a lot of encouraging signs as we look at our contractor index and the tracking that we've done now for several years. The lead sources that they're getting, again, very, very strong, better leads than what they saw pre-pandemic. Thinking of the quality of those leads, the quality of the projects, again, stronger than normal in many cases and an upward trend over the last several quarters. The volume of the leads they're getting is increasing as well, again, higher than what they might have seen pre-pandemic. So we are seeing a lot of signs point to positive activity over the next 12 months. This bodes well for our industry as we start seeing DIY activity perhaps plateau, or at least product sales plateau. Contractor volume is really going to account for some growth, certainly this year, but as we look into next year as well. If you have questions, we are here to help any way we can in regards to contractor and DIY activity. Our job at the Farnsworth Group is to give you deeper insights and understandings to your brand, your product, your market, and ultimately your customer. Please reach out with questions, download our quarterly index for free, and we'd be happy to give you our insights, not only about the index, but what's happening in our industry. Thanks again.